Okay, today we're in front of Chiesa Church San Michele. So it's what I would consider the center of Lucca, the city. So we're gonna go inside and check it out. But you can see on the outside of it, you have a lot of students and stuff, and cafes and banks and all this kind of stuff. You have my favorite cafe called Turando, stores and places to eat and stuff. Weren't you telling me that those columns up there were made of different stuff?
Yeah, the different columns up there are made to represent the different materials used to make silk in Lucca.
Used to make silk?
Used to make silk.
Ah, okay. So each column represents like a different thing. What's at the very top? That's St. Michael, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Maybe I turn off for 1 second. So this is an actual church that is in use still. At least it was when I lived here. It probably is now, too. This would be my local church. Here's where you can give a confession, obviously. And there's about 50 high school kids coming in right now. So there's St. Michael right there. He, I'll probably get this wrong, but he fought a war against Satan and won and banished, and Satan was banished. So that's who this church is named after. Wow. Okay, we believe this is done by Filippo Lippi, a student of Botticelli. So here's a little program about it. So Lucca has or had over 100 churches. So imagine how much stuff they have like this. Is this like the Ark of the Covenant or something? Just kidding, of course. So you can't get behind this, but wow, that's cool. I think I've actually been back there before when it's been open. Okay, so this area over here is only for praying, so I will respect it and won't go past it. Solo silencio y preghiera. Iera. It's not a verb I know by heart. To pray. Yeah. Preghiera. I should know that one. Do you know that one?
Yeah.
Okay. Huh, what's in here? Oh, this is where the good stuff is. Lots of crosses and stuff, and not sure who they are. San Vito. You think there's someone in there? Juliana, you think there's someone in there? San Vito. You think there's someone in there?
Well, yeah, probably.
Yeah.
Because
there's flowers right there.
Sarcophagus.
Sarcophagus, that's cool. Maybe someday San Balbo will be in there. You guys could put me in here, right? St. Marcus. Anyway, that's a tour of our local church. You know, you drop in here, half an hour, look around. They have like a little gift shop too. Well, I'm not supposed to be talking, I guess. But this is at the center of the city. So, anyway, on to the next church. Arrivederci.